Let me tell you something. Hindi lahat ng umaabot nakakatawid. And Moses is the proof. Point number 1, because Moses represents the law. Moses was great, pero he carried the law. At ang law, kaya kang dalhin papunta, pero hindi ka kayang dalhin papasok. John chapter 1 verse 17 declares, "For the law was given by Moses, but grace and truth came by Jesus Christ." You know, ang utos nagtuturo, pero ang Kristo po kasi ang nagliligtas. Point number 2, the law stops at the border. Ang sabi po ng Panginoon kay Moses, hanggang dyan ka lang. Because the law can only show the promise, but it cannot secure the entrance. Deuteronomy chapter 34 verse 4, "This is the land, but thou shalt not go over thither." Ang batas, nagpapakita po ng landas, pero si Jesus ang nagbubukas po kasi ng pintuan. Number 3, Jesus is the fulfillment of the law. Kaya kapag sinabi po ni Christ na I am not come to destroy the law, but to fulfill, Moses pointed to the promise, but Jesus brought the promise. Moses showed the requirement, pero si Kristo po ang nagbayad po sa requirement. Where Moses ends, Jesus begins. Where the law fails, grace prevails. Moses represents the law. Joshua, if you know, si Joshua and the Israelites, sila po yung nakapasok sa promised land. Joshua in Hebrew is Yeshua, and Joshua represents Jesus. Kaya hindi si Moses ang nagpasok sa Israel, kundi si Joshua. Because the law can bring you in. Only Yeshua, only Jesus can. Gusto mo ba ng breakthrough? Gusto mo ba ng promised land? Gusto mo ba ng bagong season? Hindi try harder, hindi be better, hindi achieve more. It's Yeshua. It's Jesus. It's grace. Hindi po yung effort po natin. Moses may lead your journey, but only Yeshua brings your victory. Hindi ka papasok dahil magaling ka. Hindi ka papasok dahil matalino ka. Papasok ka dahil kasama mo si Jesus na makapangyarihan sa buhay po natin.